it can carry all these things with its maximum semi-liter capacity.
The basic weight is around the 2.2 pounds range, so
The BT bag will upgrade your life 24/7. We often wondered if all these problems can be solved with just one bag. We've been thinking about how to solve these problems during our previous 12 years in the bag making industry. Let's introduce the bag that we've created based on our research and expertise. Wherever you are, wherever you go, whatever you wear, and whatever you do. The one and only bag that you can use in any situation. A simple bag that can be widened to hold any items needed for a few days on a business trip. Are you worried that the bag will start to sag if you put lots of things in there? BT Bag's unique design allows it to maintain the same shape, even if you pack it to the brim. There are pockets for all the items you need to bring. There are 32 versatile and useful pockets sized from 13 to 17 inches, and even allows for the tablet PC to be stored separately. Whether a sunny weather, rain, or snow, wherever you go, the BT bag brings comfort for you. Even with all these features, this bag only weighs about 3.3 pounds. Additionally, the bag's packaging material has been processed in an eco-friendly recycled poly bag. The BT bag provides you with an attractive fashion element that naturally fits with any outfit and promises to upgrade your life 24/7. One BT bag is suitable for whatever you need. Hi, I'm Ron from the BT Bag campaign team. BT is a reliable bag manufacturer located in New York with 12 years of experience in the industry. We've tried our best to make the bag that fits everyone's needs and upgrades their lifestyle. In addition to New York, our infrastructure extends an overseas subsidiary factory in Vietnam. The material of the product, even the zipper, is environmentally friendly and reliable, and the fabric is produced at a global recycle standard certified facility. The durable YKK zipper has passed the reach test. We've endeavored to create not just a simple bag, but a bag that can accompany you on your journey throughout life. Forget about any other multi-bags you've seen until now. One BT bag to satisfy all your needs. Whenever, wherever, for any situation, 24 hours a day, every day. The BT bag will brighten up your life. Check it out now.